How to sync TaxDome with QuickBooks Online. You can enhance your financial management by integrating TaxDome with your QuickBooks Online accounts. This seamless connection ensures that all payments and details processed through TaxDome automatically sync with your QuickBooks account, providing real-time updates and maintaining financial accuracy. Note that only a firm owner can establish this integration. To sync TaxDome and QuickBooks, go to the Integrations page, select the QuickBooks tab, and then click Connect to QuickBooks. First, choose the accounts you wish to sync and set the sync date, then click Continue. You'll then have to enter your QuickBooks credentials. Here, click Connect to give TaxDome access to your QuickBooks Online data. Once the connection is established, you're redirected to TaxDome. Synchronization may take a while, especially if there is a large amount of data. During this process, the connection button will be disabled. Once the connection is complete, you can select whether to synchronize your scheduled invoices or not. To check that everything is working, find an invoice in TaxDome and note its number. Then look for the same invoice number in QuickBooks Online to confirm it has synced correctly. This is how it works. This firm uses both TaxDome and QuickBooks Online for one of their clients. A monthly invoice for bookkeeping services is created directly in TaxDome, and the client can process the payment from TaxDome too. Once the payment is done, all the payment details, including transaction, date, amount, source, payment ID, customer details, and credit card transaction fee, are sent from TaxDome to QuickBooks Online.